Ever wondered if you could source trendy products directly from suppliers and effortlessly integrate them into your Shopify store? Well, today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to do just that, Spocket. But, is Spocket truly compatible with Shopify? Let's find out. Before we delve into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Spocket and Shopify are. Spocket, a popular dropshipping app that connects you to global suppliers, offering a wide range of products from trendy accessories to home decor. Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform that empowers businesses to create stunning online stores without the need for extensive technical knowledge. The integration question. So, the burning question is, can you seamlessly integrate Spocket into your Shopify store? The short answer, yes. Spocket is indeed compatible with Shopify. It's designed to work seamlessly with the platform, making it easy for you to import products, manage inventory, and fulfill orders. How does it work? Here's a quick breakdown of how the integration works. Install the Spocket app. Once you have a Shopify store, you can easily install the Spocket app from the Shopify App Store. Connect to suppliers, browse through Spocket's extensive supplier network and select products you want to sell. Import products. Import your chosen products directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Spocket handles product details, images, and descriptions. Fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Spocket automatically forwards the order to the supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. Key benefits of using Spocket on Shopify. Simplified product sourcing. Access a vast range of products from reliable suppliers. Automated order fulfillment. Streamline your operations and reduce manual work. Real-time inventory sync. Keep your inventory levels up to date. Easy product import. Quickly add products to your Shopify store. Branding opportunities. Customize product descriptions and packaging to match your brand. Potential challenges and considerations. While Spocket offers a convenient solution, it's essential to be aware of a few potential challenges. Product quality and consistency. The quality of products can vary between suppliers. It's crucial to carefully select reliable suppliers. Shipping times. International shipping can sometimes lead to longer delivery times. Consider factors like shipping distances and customs procedures. Customer support. Effective communication with suppliers is vital for resolving issues and ensuring customer satisfaction. Spocket and Shopify are a powerful combination that can help you start and grow your online business. By leveraging Spocket's extensive product range and Shopify's user-friendly platform, you can streamline your operations and focus on what truly matters, building your brand and driving sales. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.